Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lewiston, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move is over 50 miles away from your current location, whether within the same state or outside the state. 3 Movers provides excellent long distance moving services. We have professional movers that take charge of your entire move. Our movers handle your items carefully. Our insurance plan also covers risk liability during the transfer. We also have high standard moving trucks specially designed to accommodate heavy items and carry them over long distances. We have close working relationships with the authorities in charge of long-distance moves. Our drivers are competent and follow state and federal highway regulations. They drive carefully and get to your new location on time. Local moves also require the help of exceptional movers. We are the best and most efficient movers in Lewiston. We know all the local and major routes and get to your new location at the agreed time. Local moves are usually less expensive than long-distance moving. We provide the cheapest local moving services in Lewiston. Our hourly rate is as low as $30 to $40 per hour, which is why we are the favorite of the locals. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lewiston moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.